फाटल्या एक महिना सावन हुमकळत उरिल्ली स्वयंपूर्ण मित्राची खासा बसका सरकारी अधिकारी आणि गोयभरच्या स्वयंपूर्ण मित्रा बरोबर शेनवाराक घडोवन हाडटले। हातूंत गोयभरच्या गरजू व्यक्तीकडेन संपर्क साधून लोकांक वेगवेगळ्या वेबिनारांतल्यान उद्देग धंद्यात उदरगत करपा खातीर मदत करपाक जायत्या विशयांचेर चर्चा जातली, अशी माहिती नोडल अधिकारी विजय बी सक्सेनान दिली। आयकात।
Taluka nodal officers have been strictly directed to not to visit any of the offices of the village panchayats tomorrow in view of model code of conduct. They have been asked to either remain at home and then attend this program, take the training, or they can go to their respective workplaces if internet facility is available there as per their convenience. The meeting assumes highest importance and significance because this was the webinar program long back on the central government schemes. So far under Swayam Goa program, we have been giving education to all the beneficiaries and Swayam Mitras and general public about the state government's beneficiary oriented schemes where benefits are available for the public members. We had thought that now we will go to the public and will tell that what are the central government schemes which are implemented in Goa. There are around 176 schemes, central government schemes, where either 100% funds come from them or on some pattern basis 60-40, 80-20, where our share is also there, Government of India's share also there, and those schemes are very much beneficial for the general public. So tomorrow's program's agenda is only around 15 schemes, such central government schemes, on which we are going to train our Swayam Mitras. We want them to be fully conversant about the schemes, what these schemes are, what are the objectives of these schemes are, who can avail this benefit if it is beneficiary oriented, and what benefits are available for the public. So that when the code of conduct is over, after the counting is over of the ensuing panchayat elections, in the month of August, late in the last week, these messages can go to the public members and then this program can continue. Only the government officers, Group B and Group C officers who are Swayam Mitra, who are in my team. I am from Planning and Statistics Department. My department is a nodal department. I am the officer monitoring the Swayam program across the state of Goa. And since last more than 30 days, no program is done. This program was long back planned, and the program will be a close-knit program, virtual mode. Only the government officers will attend, no public member will be present during the meeting, and program will be on these 15 centrally government schemes. Similarly, for the next month we will be planning for some other schemes, and by that time till then, bye.